organic matcha powder. This stuff is USDA organic, 100% organic, and you can use it to make smoothie, matcha tea, matcha latte, meals, baked goods, and even desserts. The basic recipe is you get about 2 grams of matcha, you pour quarter cup of warm water to it, you whisk it up until it's frothy, then you fill up the remaining cup with warm water or milk. That's it. And you can kind of figure out your own recipe. This is what the matcha looks like. And it's very soft and mixes really well. And what I do like about this is that you have a resealable bag so you can seal it up and it won't spill out. And it has a good preservation time period too. Because this one, we just picked it up and this one is good all the way to like another 1.5 years. So very long preservation time. So I have a teaspoon here. We'll mix it up and you can see how soft this matcha powder is right here. So this is 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. And I can put it in here or I can put it directly into our cup because if you guessed it, we're making some matcha latte today. So here is the matcha powder. And then I'm gonna get some warm water here. So warm water allows it to mix better. Even if you're making some matcha milk tea, you probably wanna start with some warm water. So here we go, here's some warm water. And it depends on how thick you want your milk tea, but here's some water, and then I'll use my teaspoon here, and you can see how easy it already dissolves, right? That's because it's the warm water. I don't even need to stir it, but you can imagine just stirring it, and it's all fully dissolved. Very easy to mix, right? You don't need a blender. All you do is just warm water, and you're good to go. Once you have that, then the rest is, as you can imagine, you just kind of mix it up until it kind of froths a little bit like this. And then you can pour your milk in. Of course, everyone has different ways, different recipe. What we're really talking about today is that milk tea powder, right? And then I got some milk here. And you can be picky about the recipe and how much milk, but I just like to get my milk, my tea, and maybe some sweetener. But there we go, this is milk tea. This one is unsweetened, but if you want sweeteners, you can do that too. But you can see how everything just mixes perfectly. There's no clumping, no powder clumps, because this tea is organic matcha pure powder right here. And for the ultimate test, the taste test. Nice, smooth, pure organic matcha milk tea right here. You can have it without sweetener or with sweetener right here. Oh yeah.